Please welcome Vice President, Marketing, Russell Wager.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Kia press conference. Imagine that, a press conference at an auto show. Today, we're going to unveil the latest versions of the Kia Carnival MPV and Kia K5. Two very important models in our portfolio and to our customers. The new Carnival and K5 demonstrate how Kia is moving forward on all fronts, while others are focused primarily on SUVs. Not only are we building on our award-winning SUV lineup, but we are also strengthening our commitment to customers who want other types of vehicles too. The Kia lineup offers the choice of a great sedan, SUV, or EV for just about anyone. Whether they want an affordable, high-quality compact Forte, all the way up to the game-changing EV9, our three-row EV SUV that was recently named North American Utility Vehicle of the Year. This strategy is clearly paying off. Kia posted our best ever sales in 2023, beating our previous record by 12%. Kia SUV sales were up 16%, and our electrified models were up 41% over their previous records. And 6 Kia models had their best sales ever in 2023. One of those 6 all-time bestsellers was the Kia Carnival, which has quickly established itself as a player to be reckoned with among MPV competitors. Carnival's segment share was up more than 12 points in 2023, and it's attracting new buyers to grow the Kia family, with 3 out of 4 being new to the brand. And these are the youngest buyers in the segment, including the biggest percentage of Gen Z. We know we're on to something good with Carnival. With its current position as having the best-in-class passenger room, cargo room, and V6 horsepower, we've created a really compelling vehicle. That's why we're so excited about the new 2025 model. So let's take a look. This is the new Kia Carnival MPV. What do you think? Not bad? Let me tell you a little bit about it. The new model builds on the rugged SUV-like design that sets Carnival apart from its competitors. It looks great, and we'll get to the design enhancements in a minute. But the big news is Carnival's first ever available hybrid powertrain. Hybrids are an important part of Kia's Plan S strategy as we help lead the industry towards electrification and a more innovative future. Carnival Hybrid is the 10th electric vehicle in our lineup. Our hybrid models are for buyers who are looking for efficiency, but are not yet ready for full EVs. Carnival Hybrid gives owners exactly what they want by providing more fuel economy and great driving performance. But this is not just any hybrid system. This is a Kia hybrid, which means it's turbocharged and packs a real punch. It is powered by a 1.6-liter turbo GDI engine that is teamed with a 54-kilowatt drive motor. This class-exclusive turbocharged hybrid powertrain delivers 242 combined horsepower and 271 pound-feet of torque. That powerful torque rating is not only best in class among hybrid MPVs, it's best in class amongst gas-powered MPVs as well. And there's much more to this new Carnival Turbo Hybrid than what's under the hood. This vehicle has several innovative features that help enhance its performance and comfortable ride. Up front, the lower intake area has active air flaps. They're designed to automatically open and close the air intake opening according to driving conditions. Carnival Turbo Hybrid also features eRide, which can improve ride comfort by alleviating up and down shocks when passing over bumps by automatically adjusting shock dampening. E-handling is designed to use electric motor braking to help improve cornering agility while utilizing the drive motor to improve corner stability. And E-evasive handling assist can help control the load movement on the front and rear wheels during emergency steering to maximize evasion performance. We also took the opportunity to freshen Carnival's design and further leverage the popularity of Kia's SUVs. Like our latest SUVs, the new Carnival employs Kia's Opposites United design philosophy, utilizing the cues that people love about Telluride and EV9. The vertical headlamps help frame Carnival's wide, sophisticated front-end appearance and star map lighting pattern, including the DRLs that are amber now on all models. The front bumper and skid plate are also in harmony, helping give Carnival a rugged look that stands out in its segment. In back, the updated tailgate has a more elegant look, and we continue our star map theme with the new tail lamps. The rear bumper and skid plate are also redesigned with a new technical shape. For an even bolder look this year, we are introducing the new Carnival Dark Edition. It has exclusive black wheels, along with dark colored trim accents for the front and rear skid plates, C-pillars, doors, side view mirrors, roof rack, and tailgate. Now let's move inside. 2025 Carnival offers an available dual 12.3-inch panoramic curved display that integrates a digital cluster and center touchscreen. Like on other Kia models, the wide curved display is a thoroughly modern design that puts key readouts and controls in sight and easy reach for the driver. Carnival's available heads-up display is also new for 2025. It projects key readouts onto the windshield so drivers can keep their eyes on the road ahead, and they can customize the display. The updated center console includes dual deluxe size cup holders that can handle an oversized water bottle. There's also new ambient mood lighting. Carnival also gets a tech upgrade. Available Digital Key 2.0 allows owners to unlock the vehicle with a compatible smartphone or SmartWatch. There's also a new available rear seat entertainment system with dual 14.6 high-definition monitors. And Carnival now offers available multi-zone voice recognition. It allows a driver, front passenger, and second-row passengers to operate climate controls, power windows, and the available second-row relaxation seats using voice commands. Just say, "Hey Kia." Finally, the new 2025 Carnival can also receive over-the-air updates to conveniently help improve the ownership experience. The 2025 Kia Carnival MPV is expected to arrive in dealerships this summer. Now, next up is this vehicle. And to tell you all about it, here's Orth Hedrick, Executive Director of Product Planning. Orth?
Good morning, everybody. It's great to be with you here today. Now, K5's introduction a few years ago changed the game in the midsize sedan segment. Buyers took notice and they clearly liked what they saw. A sportier, better equipped choice than what the established incumbents were offering. Now, since its launch, K5 has gained market share, growing from under 7% for the prior generation model to well above 9% last year. The K5 was a hit from the day it arrived in showrooms, thanks to its available all-wheel drive option and an available 2.5 turbo in the GT model. As a result, this sporty sedan has attracted the youngest buyers in the midsize segment. K5's winning formula starts with its design. The wide, strong haunches, sleek, coupe-like profile, and a prominent brow give it a bold, sporty, and powerful presence. Now, combine that with advanced technology, efficient and responsive powertrains, plus, key point here, great value, and it's easy to see why K5 is such a compelling choice for younger buyers. For 2025, the K5 gets even better, and we're thrilled to share it with you here today. Here is the new K5. It has more athletic styling, more performance, more sophisticated interior, more connected technology, and more advanced driver assist systems. Let's start with the freshened look. The K5's front end appearance is updated with a honeycomb grille pattern and vertical wings on the outer edges of the bumper to give the car a wider look. The design team also incorporated Kia's signature star map lighting pattern, including the amber daytime running lamps on all models. In fact, all of the exterior lighting is now LED. There are sporty 18-inch and 19-inch wheels available, and available power folding mirrors. Around back, the new K5 has a spoiler integrated into the deck lid. Again, a new star map tail lamp design and available diffuser integrated into the lower fascia. Now, while some others have eliminated their high output engines, Kia is going all in for the sporty sedan buyers. First, the GT Sports Sedan variant, which we show here, continues with a 290 horsepower 2.5 turbo and class-leading 311 pound-feet of torque. The K5 GT offers its own distinctive design cues, including the new neon green brake calipers, taking a cue from our EV6 GT. We are also offering a larger, more powerful standard engine, generating 191 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque, representing an 11 horsepower increase over last year. And of course, we will also offer an available all-wheel drive system to ensure buyers can enjoy great driving experience in various weather conditions. And the suspension system on all K5 models has been fine-tuned to deliver even better ride feel and quality. Now, with Digital Key 2.0, you don't even need to take your phone out of your pocket to unlock the car. Inside, K5 has a wide, modern look with luxurious touches and upgraded materials. Now, the most visible change is the newly available dual panoramic curved display that integrates a digital cluster and also a 12.3-inch center cluster infotainment screen. The new K5 can also receive over-the-air updates for infotainment system features, including navigation maps. There's more connected technology inside with standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 3 available USB charge ports, plus wireless charging pad built into a redesigned center console. Finally, the K5 features Kia's latest in advanced driver assist systems. On all models, this includes forward collision avoidance assist, which is designed to detect vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists, as well as front and rear parking distance warning. The K5 will also offer available surround view monitor and blind view monitors to give drivers confidence on the road or in the parking lot. We expect the new K5 to go on sale later this spring. It's clear that the new K5 and the new Carnival demonstrate Kia's commitment to move forward on all fronts in each automotive segment we compete by offering great-looking vehicles that deliver the capability, performance, and technology that buyers want. No compromises. Now, I'll turn it back over to Russell to wrap things up.
Thank you very much, Orth. So there you have it. You just got your first look at the new Carnival MPV and K5, but there's one more preview we have in store for you today. Super Bowl Sunday is coming up this weekend for those of you that don't know. It's the most watched single event in the United States with over 100 million viewers each year. And once again, Kia is excited to be an advertiser during the game for the 15th year. So as a little treat for joining us today, fast forward yourselves to Sunday afternoon. Whether you're watching with friends or family, it's the fourth quarter. San Francisco's up by 7 points over the Chiefs because the Chiefs always have to try to come from behind. And this spot plays. Thank you all for joining us today. Enjoy the rest of the show. Please come up and take a little closer look. Have a great rest of your day.